in the harp, the alphabet approaches you. Okay, so we're going to start off with finding a red string. Now, somewhere on your harp, there will be a string that is brightly coloured red. Find that string. I have this one here. And put your finger on it and just say to yourself, C. Okay, so the red strings are always a C. Okay, now some cool news for you. There are not 26 letters in the musical alphabet. There are only 7. We use A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and that's it. Okay, so I'm after putting my finger on a C string, a red string. Can you find one? Now try and find another one. I can see one down here. And then you should definitely be able to find at least one more on your harp. I can find one up here. And on this harp, it just so happens that the final string is red as well. Okay, so I found my red string. Woohoo! And it's called a C. Okay, we're going to have a little game. I'm going to say C and you have to find the red string. I'm going to say F and you have to play the black string. Okay, so here goes. C, F, find me a different C, find me a different F, find me your lowest C or your longest C, find me your highest F or your shortest F, find me another F, find me the F beneath that, find me a C above that. Okay, hopefully you got on well there. Well done. Mahu. Do you remember I said the alphabet approaches you? We're going to use that principle now to figure out what the rest of the uncoloured strings in the harp are called. Okay, so we'll start off by finding a red string or a C. Okay, find a C for me. Now, go towards yourself one string. It'll probably be a white colour or a see-through colour. So, if you remember, the alphabet approaches you. So, A, B, C, coming towards myself, D. Okay, so every time you have a C, the string one step closer to you is a D string. Let's practice that now. Find me a C string, please. And now find the D one step closer to you. Find me a C string. And find the D one step closer to you. Find me your lowest C string. And find me the D one step closer to you. Now, let's see if you can do it without finding the C string first. Please find me a D string. Find me another D string. And finally, find me one more D string. Mahu! So now we're going to find an F. And now we're going to move one string towards us. So say the alphabet out loud to yourself. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So this white string I'm on right now is a G. Okay, so every single time you have an F string, the white string next door towards you is a G. So let's find one on your harp now. Please find an F. And now find the white string close to you one step. Oh my word, it's a G. The excitement, it's great, it's good. Now find another F, please. And find the neighbouring G. And find one more F. And find the neighbouring G. And now let's see if we can find it without consciously touching the F first. Please look at your harp and find a G string for me. Excellent. Look at your harp and find another G string for me, please. Mahu. So now we're going to find our excellent E string, okay? Please find a C string. Find the neighbouring D string. And what do you think is going to happen next? Of course, the alphabet approaches you. So A, B, C, D. And then if I come towards me by one step, that white string is an E. Okay? So what we're going to do now is find another E string. Please find a C string. Find the neighbouring D. And now find the neighbouring E. Brilliant. Find me your lowest C string. Find the neighbouring D. And now find the E one step up from that. Fantastic. Find me your highest C string. Find me the D one step up from that. And the E one step up from that. Absolutely brilliant. Mahu. So we're going to now find our amazing A string. This is a little bit complicated, okay? Because we're going to have to rotate our alphabet. Remember I told you we don't have 26 letters? We just go A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. It rotates. So we're going to start with our F string. And now we're going to go one step up and find our G. And it's time for the alphabet to rotate. Let's go one step up. Wow, that's an A string. Okay, so the white string, that's 2 strings up from the F, 2 strings down from the C. In the middle of the black string and the red string is the amazing A. Okay, so can you please find me another F string, please? And now go 2 strings up from that. That's an A. Please find me another F string, please. Now go 2 strings up from that. That's an A. And now one more. Find me your lowest F string, please. Go 1 step up. That's a G. 1 step up. That's your A. Cool, gorgeous. You found your amazing A. Your A all in. So we're going to find the brilliant B next. So Masha the Holly, find me an F string. Find me the neighbouring G. Find me the string 1 step up, the amazing A. And of course, what comes after A in the alphabet? B. And the alphabet approaches you. So bring your hand 1 string closer to you. That's a B string. Okay, Mahu, fair play. And we're now going to find another F string. Move 1 step up to find G, 1 step up to find A, and then 1 further string up to find a B. And let's think about it in a reverse manner as well. Looking at my B, you can see that it's right next door to my C. So how about we try finding it from the C string? Please find me a C string. And now go 1 step away from you. Wow, now you're on a B string. Please find me another C string. And go 1 step away from you. Brilliant, now you're on a B string. Mahu. So now we're going to have a little fun test to see how you're getting on with your note names, okay? So, Masha the Holly, Phi, F. Please find C. Please find another C. Please find D. Please find F. Please find G. Please find C. Please find F. Please find G. Please find A. Please find C. Please find B. Please find C. Please find E. Mahu.